So students, the first thing that you have to do is be very clear on why you want to give the GATE exam or why you want to give GATE 2022. Once you are clear, I will tell you that you will receive less hindrance, less stoppages, less blockages in your preparation once you are clear in your head why you should give GATE 2022. Now, once I have been talking about this, I would also like to add certain options, students, that there are certain reasons why I suggest my students that every engineer who is doing their engineering should write this exam. First and foremost advantage that you get command on your core subjects. The first advantage, command on core subjects. Now students, once you have command on core subjects, it can lead you to anywhere. Now what do I mean by lead you to anywhere means that even when campus placements are happening, the students who are well versed with their core knowledge will definitely get into a core company in respect to the students who are not well versed with their core subjects. So you have one advantage here. Second advantage here is this core subject that you have studied can also help you land up and do your MTech. Now students, MTech GATE is not the only exam that is allowing you to do MTech in private and government colleges all over India, but there are other state exams also. There are many colleges, I can name around colleges and exams around. There are 10 to 12 other exams that you can give to get into MTech. So sometimes students tell me, ma'am, we did not get a good rank, so I was not able to get even an MTech from an IIT or NIT. But students, if you do not want to waste that particular year, please check my video on how you on the scope of MTech. There I have talked about all the other exams which you can take and give the MTech exam and still pursue your MTech and still get your stipend. Okay, so that is possible. Please do not get disheartened if you did not write GATE well. So another important is core subjects here. Core subjects will be forming the baseline for your interview. So please do address that core subjects preparation is good in your MTech interviews. Normally 2 to 3 subjects are asked to pick up, and from there only they ask you questions. With this core subjects preparation, students, you can also end into teaching career. Okay, you can end into a teaching career, or you can do freelancing, or you can teach others. Like in today's time, you can see me, Chandan sir is there, Rakesh sir is there. We are all doing certain subjects, right? 3 to 4 subjects we have mastered, and then we are teaching. So you can also do that. You can come into the teaching career or the coaching career or the freelancing career. Then students, obviously the PSUs. There's a big advantage that you can get PSUs. Even if you cannot get PSUs, there are certain private companies, students. There are certain private companies where you can apply with your GATE score and your CV directly. There are certain companies, yes, they are less in number, but they are definitely there who directly hire you based on your GATE score and CV. Students, one more advantage that you get, that your GATE scores are valid for 3 years, right? So even in 3 years, you realize that you could not end up somewhere well, you can always go and pursue your MTech, where you get a stipend of 12,400. If you directly go into the MTech, and then you will realize that after 2 years, still your GATE score is valid, and you can also do a PhD and get into academic career. Here I suggest students that students who are bound into academic line, they can even make an academic career via the GATE score or doing well in the GATE exam. And last but not the least option, you can pursue research also. Colleges and companies like hire JRF and SRF. What are JRF? JRF is a junior research fellow. They hire JRFs and SRFs so that they can work and do the research in their engineering college, or it can be their company like CSIR, DRDO. These are some top names, top institutions where students are pursuing their research via the GATE exam. And one more very interesting option that I would like to mention is your MBA. You can also do MBA via NITI Mumbai. This is especially for all the electrical, civil and mechanical students out there. Please understand, you can do your NITI, you can do your MBA from NITI Mumbai. Another very beautiful campus with great placements. I have done an exclusive video on NITI Mumbai. Please, you can check that video for any further information. And students, I also suggest you, there are scope of doing your MS or your masters from the foreign universities, like you can do it from Germany and you can do it from Singapore. I have again a detailed video on this. you can do your masters from Singapore and Germany via the GATE score. Here they need only the GATE score, they do not need your rank. Once again I tell you, they do not need your rank, they just need your GATE score. So till here I hope I am clear with my basic overview why everyone should give GATE.